हेलो रियन, वेलकम बैक। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे हेक्सावेयर के टेक डोमेन क्वेश्चन के बारे में। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एल्गोरिथम इज यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग अ मिनिमम स्पैनिंग ट्री MST? नाउ, for algorithm is used to finding a minimum spanning tree, that is a Prim's algorithm, because Prim's algorithm is used in to find minimum spanning tree, whereas other option like a disaster algorithm is used for shortest path, and Bellman Ford algorithm is used for shortest path, that is handle a negative edge, and whereas 4-day Watson algorithm that is used for all pair shortest path. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. In relation database, which operation is not a part of relational algebra? And then option number D, aggregation. Aggregation basically it's not a part of relational algebra. Whereas other option like union, intersection, join, difference are the part of relational algebra, whereas aggregation, option number D, is a part of sum and average. It's a part for extended relational algebra, not a original algebra. Now move to the next question. Which of the following statement about AVL tree? Now for AVL tree basically guarantee big of log and search time, that is option number C, whereas all other option, because in AVL tree or because in AVL tree it is guaranteed that it give the big of and log and search time. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is example of static binding in Java? For static binding Java, the correct option is method overloading. Method overloading is a best example for static binding in Java, whereas other option like method overriding is used for dynamic binding, and virtual method cell it is used for resolve the runtime problem, and static interface method implementation that is used for static binding. But correct option for method overloading, that is the best example for static binding in Java. Now move to the next question. What is the time complexity of building a heap from an unsorted array of n element? For n element, the correct option is big of n. Big of n. Whereas other option like uh, big of n log n, because n log n is used for insertion by one by one, whereas big of n it is used it's the time complexity of building a heap from unsorted array of an n element, and it is also a building heap. Now move to the next question. Which of the following protocol work at the application layer of OSI model? So the correct option here is HTTP, because HTTP and FTTP and SMTP, that all algorithm like HTTP and FTP and SMTP, they work at a application layer, and whereas other option like TCP it's work on transport layer, and whereas IP also work on network layer, and ARP is a data link layer. Now move to the next question. Which page replacement algorithm is recently used base? Now LRU की बात आ रही है. Basically LRU is which page replacement algorithm? It is a stack algorithm, because LRU can implement using a stack or counter mechanism. Now whereas other option like first in first out and clock is used for approximately LRU, and optimal is basically a theoretical, not a practical. So the correct option is option number D. Stack algorithm page replacement algorithm is the least recently used base. Now move to the next question. What is the following C code output? For this, the correct output here for this one, str is used for pointing the first element, that is H. We have string hello, and this one is pointing to the first element, that is H, and here the asterisk and asterisk str, it's the derefreshing and refreshing again, that is that again this point with this point at H1. So the correct option is option number A. H is the correct one. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is not a true about TCP and UDP? So the correct which of the following is true about? So the correct is TCP use three-way handshaking, and UDP is a connectionless. Whereas UDP is a unreliable, fast, and no connection. TCP is a reliable, order or connection oriented. TCP is a slower, not faster. So move to the next question. Which of the following is not an NP complete problem? Not की बात आ रही है, तो हाँ यहाँ पे मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बिकॉज मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज अ पॉलिनोमियल टाइम, दैट इज big of and cube. and whereas other option like traveling salesman, knapsack problem 0 and 1, and graph coloring, it's a NP complete problem. Now move to the next question. Which type of indexing in database is better for range query? So the correct option here is B plus tree, because B plus tree is used for order support and range query, whereas other option like hash index is used in equality only. Bitmap index, it is efficient for low credential, not a range. Clustered indexing, it is used to store data within an index but not optimized for a range like a B plus tree. Now move to the next question. Which data structure is most suitable for implementing a recursion without system stack? So the correct option is user defined stack, because user defined stack is a recursive use call stack that is can be used to implement and can be simulated with a custom stack. Now move to the next question. Which of the following statement about a virtual memory is correct? So the correct option is it's allow more program to run data physical memory permit. So virtual memory use paging to extend RAM, and whereas other option like disk input output is still happen, physical memory still required, page fault cannot be eliminated. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is not a valid features of Python? So the correct option here is uses pointer explicitly. Now Python does not expose pointer like a C or C++, so that's why the correct there is option number D. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is a lossless data compression technique? So the correct option here is Huffman coding, because Huffman coding is a lossless, whereas other option like GPEJ or MPEJ or MP3, it's a lossy compression. Now move to the next question. Which of the following features is not features of no SQL database? So correct option here is horizontal scalability, because horizontal is a, you can say that no SQL schema less unstructured or horizontally scalable. So the correct option here is horizontal scalability, option number C. Now move to the next question. Which cache mapping technique provide best cache utilization? So the correct option is here set associative mapping, because when we talk about direct mapping, it is a simple but a many conflict. When we talk about associative mapping, it's a flexible but expensive. When we talk about set associative, it's the compression best utilization. So the correct option is option number C. Now move to the next question. Which of the following is a disadvantage of linked list compared to array? So the correct option here is random access not possible. When we talk about array, it gives the big of one access. When we talk about linked list, it is a sequence access only. So the correct option here for disadvantage of linked list compared to array is random access not possible. Now move to the next question. Which of the following technique is used for pipelining for processor to handle hazards? Now correct option is all of the above, yani all the option number A, B, C is correct. Hazard handle via prefetching, forwarding, or branch predictions. So all options are correct. Now move to the next question. Which of the following algorithm is used in public key cryptography? So the correct option here is option number C, RSA, because RSA is a asymmetric, that is public key, whereas other option AES or DES is a symmetric key, and MD5 is a hashing. So the correct option here is option number C, RSA. Now जो मैंने क्वेश्चन अभी डिस्कस किए, क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं इसकी पीडीएफ अपने टेलीग्राम चैनल विकास मौर्य एकेडमी पे पोस्ट कर दूंगा। थैंक यू एवरीवन, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ।